guard. The fleet is withdrawing, and this moon is crawling with rebels. We need to evacuate the base and withdraw to another system. It's my call now, and I accept the facts. The rebels are trying to hijack a walker to use against us. Delay them as long as you can. Do not let them override critical systems. They'll target 3 positions. Move!
Hit that rebel! That's spotted! Throwing! Rebel override in place in the Walker Bay. We're losing control.
Override active in the Walker Bay!
Enemies nearby.
Walker Bay override online!
Spread out and focus fire! Losing control of Walker Bay systems! Rebel targeted. Enemies nearby!
Got the rebels off the fuel station!
Standing hostile.
Walker Bay systems compromised!
Grenade out! Rebel override in place in the Walker Bay. We're losing control. Rebels in the target zone.
Rebels accessing the main computer! Intruders in the Walker Bay! They've accessed the console!
Hostile spotted. They're attacking the fuel station. Enemy at the control. Throwing. Right there. Throwing.
Enemy is transferring control of the Walker Bay!
Scanning hostile.
Rebels overreached. Their force is broken and will escape Endor to find revenge.